Hey guys, welcome back. Today, as you can see, we've got Super Zeo Red we're working on. What we've got going on, I've actually got this one I picked up, and as you can see here, the clip here in the middle is broken. Now this Zord, don't get me wrong, he's got some wear, which most of the Zeo Red I pick up, especially this rubber head, has a lot of wear on it anyways. But this one's not terribly bad. It's not mint, but we definitely want to try and save it. Okay, this one on the other hand is one I picked up at Parts Bin. He's had a rough life. Head's in pretty rough shape. I just noticed here a minute ago one of the points on the star is cracked. It's just about to come off. But the good thing is I do have a good intact clip on this one. So we're going to take this parts one. He's also missing an arm, if you haven't noticed. We're going to take this one apart, salvage this clip, put it in this one, and basically have a working Super Red Zeo that we can use on another Megazord model. Let's see here. This one should be, as best I can tell looking at the Zord, pretty straightforward. As best that I can tell, I've not got into it yet, but you have two screws right here. This should separate this back plate. As you can see, there's a back and a front plate. Take it off and it should let us access the clip. Alright guys, I want to show you what we got here. So we got it separated, got the plates off, got everything took loose. Whereas this one, as we can see, the arm actually separated right here where it was broken. And what you actually have is a pin and spring on this one. When I opened it up, that's what fell out of it. Like this over here. I said we're going to keep all these just in case we run into another one that's broken. But I'll do my best to let you see how the working arm works. It's a little hard to show in there. You have that same pin on the good arm with the spring right in there. And you have that ratcheting mechanism on it. So I won't lay these out of the way because we don't need them. The clip that we need. I originally thought that it was actually made into the legs. I was going to swap the whole leg, which I am going to do. I'm going to swap the whole leg section, namely because the stickers on these are in a lot better shape. Nothing broken on these legs either, just a little better shape. But the clip for this, if you need just the clip, let's see if I can figure out, I had it off for a second, it actually just inserts in between those legs. So it is an entirely separate piece. We're going to put that back for the moment. Like I said, we've got that taken apart. We're going to do the same thing on this one, except all we're going to do is, hopefully, nothing will happen. We're going to pull that back plate off, just like that. Pop the leg section out of this one. Arms will try and come out, but we'll turn this one over. See if I can get it in there. There we go. Kind of has to set in a slot there to go in. Going to set this back plate back on. Make sure the head still turns. Everything's good. And we'll tighten the screws back up. So this is one of the easier ones that I've worked on. Very little screws, very little to mess with. Quick fix. And there you go. We've got a new clip in this. Got some slightly better looking legs, better stickers on it. we have a usable Zord. The old one here, I'll put it back together. I'll stick it in my parts bin. You know, never know when we're going to need something else. But this is why it's always good stuff that you find that's broken. Most people would say just throw it in the trash. But people like myself, you can take these, throw them in a bin, and then when you run across something simple as one of these clips broken, you've got one to fix with. There's always somebody out there that can use them. But if you like the video, give us some likes on this. Comment. Let me know if there's something you want to see, something else you want to check out. I've got a bunch of stuff I can't on the table here. I've got to go through. I've got a bunch of toys. I've got to work through weapons that I've never opened any of the battery compartments on. As you can see, I've got Donald Thunder Blasters, Time Force, just a bunch of stuff laying around here that I haven't had time to work through. I'm going to start doing some of those. We'll go through, do some battery compartment checkouts, throw some clean batteries in there, see if we can get them to work. But yeah, definitely let me know if there's anything you want to see worked on, if I've got it. Nothing else, if you need to know how something's taken apart, we'll take it apart to show you how it goes. And definitely subscribe. Like I said, I'm going to try and get a bunch more videos out there. My work slows down in the winter, so I'm going to have some more time here and there to do some videos. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.